Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. The above shown code in GTA 5 usually indicates a problem with the game startup process, often related to corrupted or missing files, software conflicts, or outdated drivers. So today we are here with some step-to-step guide to help you fix this issue. So let's get started. Firstly, run the application in compatibility mode and always start the application as administrator. Right click on File and click on Properties. Click on Compatibility tab. Click on Run Compatibility Troubleshooter. If the game's work, save the settings. If not, continue. Put a check mark on Run this program in compatibility mode for. Then select the operating system to which the driver is available. Put a check mark on Run this program as administrator under privilege level. Then click on Apply and then exit. So here we use the Microsoft Exchange Server Error Code Lookup tool to check for this error. So this is the output we got. The problem is DLL load error, and now we have to find which DLL is causing this error, which is not always that easy. Even though the message says which DLL failed to load, it's not always that DLL, which in turns in a bigger problem. So if you use Steam to install your game, then you can ask it to verify game's cache. Now all you have to do is select the game and click include subtree. You probably also want to exclude all events that don't file system events. There is a row of buttons on the toolbar to do this. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.